Today we will start some more problems of the exercise 10.3. In the last lecture, we solved the questions of exercise 10.3. Now, I will start with question number 13. Last time हमने 12 क्वेश्चन करे थे. What is in question number 13? Find the equation of the right bisector of the line segment joining the point 3, 4 and minus 1, 2. Let us consider the name of the point is AB. The question is find the equation of the right bisector. So right bisector means this is a point with coordinate 3 and 4 and this is a point B with coordinate 1 and 2. The right bisector, this is the line which passes through the midpoint of AB and perpendicular to it. तो ये P point मैंने ले लिया. PM is the right bisector. So first of all we will find the coordinate of this M. M is the midpoint of AB. That is the question is the right bisector, equation of right bisector. Now this PM is the right bisector. So therefore what are the coordinates of M? That is the midpoint formula, that is x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2 is the midpoint formula. So therefore the coordinates of this becomes 1 and 3. 1 and 3 are the coordinates of this point M. Now the question is the line is right bisector line PM is passing through point M, that is point form, and the slope of this is means perpendicular. To find the slope of PM, so first of all write slope of AB, the line, that is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So therefore the slope of line is minus 2 upon means 1 by 2. And slope of right bisector, that is PM, named as PM. Slope of PM is equal to minus of 2, condition of perpendicular lines. This passing through the point M, so therefore point form, that is y minus y1 is equal to M times of x minus x1. Okay, now you have to simplify this and can find the result. How to simplify? You know, this can be written as 2x and plus y minus 3 and minus 5 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of a right bisector of the line. Okay. Then after this, I will start with the another question. That is question number after 13. I will start with another. Now the question number 14. This is again very important question. What is it? Question number 14. Find the coordinates of the foot of perpendicular. Find the coordinates of the foot of perpendicular from the point. Foot of perpendicular from the point. Let the point is P. From the point P minus 1, 3 to the line. Line is minus. The line is minus 3x. The line is 3x minus 4y. 3x minus 4y and minus 16 is equal to 0. So see again, what is the question? Find the coordinates of the foot of perpendicular from the point minus 1, 3 to the line 3x minus 4y minus 16 is equal to 0. तो अब क्वेश्चन क्या है? ये पॉइंट मैंने P ले लिया इधर, that is 1 and 3, and this is the line. The line is 3x minus 4y minus 16 is equal to 0 is the line. And the problem is you have to find the foot of perpendicular. Let us consider this is the line and this M is the foot of perpendicular. Okay, from the point this. The question is to find the equation of to find the coordinate of foot of perpendicular from the point this on the line this. Okay, so students see मुझे इस m के कोऑर्डिनेट निकालने हैं, तो देयर आर many ways to find the line of perpendicular line, but the simple one is you have to find the equation of this line PM. After getting the equation of line PM, solve the given line L and this PM. This is the point of intersection and you get the coordinate of this point M. तो problem is how to find the equation of the line PM. तो सबसे पहले आप लिखेंगे slope of line, slope of line, slope of line that is minus coefficient of x and coefficient of y, that is equal to 3 by 4. Now the PM is perpendicular to this, so therefore slope of perpendicular line, slope of perpendicular line, that is equal to minus 4 by 3 by applying the formula m1 m2 is equal to minus 1. Then equation of this, equation of PM, the line passing through the point P, that is y minus y1 is equal to m times of x minus x1. This can be written as 3y minus 9 is equal to minus 4x minus 4, or rearrange this, that is 4x plus of 3y and minus of 5 is equal to 0. Okay, so we get the equation of the line which is perpendicular to this. Now give it number 2 and the given line is let 1. Now we have to solve this first and second, that is the line first 4y minus 16 is equal to 0 and the second is 3y minus 5 is equal to 0. So therefore by method of cross multiplication we can solve it. This can be written as 20 to find the value of x and plus of 48, okay, is equal to y upon, that is a method of cross multiplication. पहले x की वैल्यू फिर y के लिए क्या करेंगे, that is equal to minus of 64 and plus of 15, okay, is equal to 1 upon, that is 9 and plus of 16, okay. So therefore this can be written as x upon 68 is equal to y upon minus 39 is equal to 1 upon 25. By adding this, what are the values of x? This x becomes, that implies x becomes 68 by 25, and similarly from second y, that becomes minus of 39 upon 25, 49, that is minus 49 upon 25. So these are the coordinates of foot of perpendicular, that is m. M is the coordinate of foot of perpendicular, that is 68 by 25 and minus of 49 by this. See once again how to solve this. Let m is the foot of perpendicular. So therefore the foot of perpendicular from the point P. First of all I want to write the equation of the line, this PM. PM is the line perpendicular to the given line. So therefore how to get the equation of line PM? The PM is the line passing through point minus 1 and 3. So therefore to get the slope of line, the slope of line is minus coefficient of x upon this. Slope of perpendicular, that is PM line, minus 4 by 3. Equation of this PM passing through point, this point form y minus y1 is equal to m times of x minus x1. इसको सिंप्लीफाई करके इक्वेशन सेकंड आ गई. अब मैं फर्स्ट और सेकंड का इंटरसेक्शन पॉइंट m निकालूंगा. तो मैंने क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई मेथड अप्लाई कर दिया. कैसे? x के लिए इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 20 माइनस माइनस प्लस मींस 48. देन y के लिए रिवर्स चलते हैं, माइनस 64 एंड plus of 15, then for 1 again that is 9 and plus of 16. So therefore solving this, x is equal to x becomes 68.25 and y becomes 49 by 25. So these are the coordinates of foot of perpendicular. So this is the solution of question number 14. The important one question. Now after this question number 14, students, I will start with the another problem. Now see the question number 16. If P and Q are the length of perpendicular, the question is P and Q are the length of perpendicular from origin to the line. P and Q are the length of perpendicular from origin to the line x cos theta minus y sin theta is equal to k sin 2 theta, and x cos theta minus y sin theta is equal to k cos 2 theta. Okay, and second is x secant theta plus y cosecant theta is equal to k respectively. Then prove that p square plus 4q square is equal to k square. So students, see again the question is, if p and q are the length of perpendiculars from the origin to the line x cos theta minus y sin theta is equal to k cos 2 theta, and x secant theta plus y cosecant theta is equal to k respectively, then prove that. So this you have to prove, where p and q are the length of perpendicular from the origin. So therefore what is p? P is the length of perpendicular of this line from the origin. So you know that the length of perpendicular from the origin, that is ax1 0, by1 0, and minus of k cos 2 theta upon, that is a square plus of b square sin square theta under root. So this is the perpendicular distance formula. Therefore this p can be written as k cos 2 theta, because the sine of mod is there, and upon 1 sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So this p becomes k cos 2 theta. The distance of the point p from origin, that is ax1 cos theta into 0 sin theta into 0 and c. Okay, then what is q? Q is the length of perpendicular of second line from the origin. So this becomes 0 plus 0 minus k mod upon under root of secant square theta plus of cosecant square theta, that is a स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर. तो इसको मैं सिंप्लीफाई करूंगा तो ऊपर तो k रह जाएगा, नीचे 1 अपॉन कॉस स्क्वायर 1 अपॉन साइन स्क्वायर, ये साइन स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा देगा अंडर रूट के अंदर बाय टेकिंग एलसीएम, और नीचे जो है वो बनेगा कॉस थीटा एंड साइन थीटा इसका स्क्वायर. ओके, दिस इज 1 अपॉन कॉस स्क्वायर, दिस इज 1 अपॉन साइन स्क्वायर. एलसीएम लेने के बाद अब मैं इसको सिंप्लीफाई करूंगा तो बन जाएगा k साइन थीटा कॉस थीटा, बिकॉज दिस इज 1, ये स्क्वायर रूट कैंसिल होके बन जाएगा. तो दिस इज क्या हो, आफ्टर गेटिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ p एंड q, अब मुझे सिंप्लीफाई करना है व्हाट इज p, इस इक्वेशन को वेरीफाई करना है. तो कैसे, मैं यहाँ इसे यूज करता हूँ. व्हाट इज p, दैट इज k cos 2 थीटा होल स्क्वायर एंड प्लस ऑफ 4 q, दैट इज k sin थीटा cos थीटा एट दिस होल स्क्वायर, और इसका रिजल्ट किसके बराबर आना चाहिए, k स्क्वायर के बराबर. तो देखें स्टूडेंट्स, अब कैसे इसको सिंप्लीफाई करूंगा, हाउ टू गेट द रिजल्ट. मैं यहां से k स्क्वायर लिखूंगा, cos स्क्वायर 2 थीटा बन गया है, प्लस ये 4 है, इसको इनसाइड द ब्रैकेट 2 से डिवाइड और 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दूंगा तो बनेगा 2 sin थीटा cos थीटा डिवाइडेड बाय 2, और इसका होल स्क्वायर है. अब इसको फिर सिंप्लीफाई करता हूँ, cos स्क्वायर 2 थीटा प्लस ये 4 to 4 कैंसल, ये रह जाएगा k स्क्वायर, और ये बनेगा sin 2 थीटा और इसका भी स्क्वायर. बाय टेकिंग k स्क्वायर आउटसाइड, दिस बिकम्स cos स्क्वायर 2 थीटा प्लस ऑफ sin स्क्वायर 2 थीटा, इसकी वैल्यू 1 होती है. तो देयरफॉर द रिजल्ट इज k स्क्वायर. तो दिस इज द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन नंबर 16 of this NCERT book. It's a very important type question. Now after this question number 16, I will start with another, that is in a triangle ABC, that is the question number 17. In a triangle ABC with vertices, triangle ABC के जो vertices हैं वो है 2 3, B is 4 minus 1 and C is 1 2, and C is 1 2. These are the vertices of a triangle. Find the equation and length of the altitude from the vertex A. Find the length. See once again. फाइंड द इक्वेशन एंड लेंथ ऑफ द एल्टीट्यूड फ्रॉम द वर्टेक्स। ये आपको एक एल्टीट्यूड है दैट इज ए, ये बी है और ये सी है। सी के कोऑर्डिनेट 1 2 है, बी के कोऑर्डिनेट दिस एंड ए हैविंग कोऑर्डिनेट 2 and 3। अब आपको क्या करना है, फाइंड द लेंथ, फाइंड द इक्वेशन एंड लेंथ ऑफ द एल्टीट्यूड फ्रॉम द वर्टेक्स ए। अब इस वर्टेक्स से आपको लेंथ ऑफ एल्टीट्यूड एंड इक्वेशन ऑफ एल्टीट्यूड लानी है। तो कैसे, सबसे पहले मैं इक्वेशन ऑफ एल्टीट्यूड लिखूंगा, तो इसका नाम मैंने रख दिया m। हाउ टू फाइंड द इक्वेशन ऑफ am? am is the line which passing through the point A and perpendicular to this BC. So write down slope of BC. Slope of BC is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So this will gives you minus 1. This is the slope of BC, y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. And slope of perpendicular to this, slope of perpendicular line, that is equal to 1. The equation of AM, AM is the altitude passing through point 2 3, y minus y1 is equal to m times of x minus x1, can be written as x plus y minus 3 is equal to x minus 2, or on arrangement of this, that is x minus y and plus 1 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of the altitude. The equation of altitude, you get the equation of altitude this. Okay, after getting the equation of altitude, to find the length of this, आपको equation of altitude के बाद length निकालनी है। तो length of this vertex from BC, अब मुझे equation of BC लानी पड़ेगी। equation of BC that is by 2-point form, y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 and whole into x minus this. Okay, so this can be written as y plus 1 is equal to, the slope becomes minus of 3 upon plus 3 means minus 1 times of x, can be written as minus x and plus 4, or on arrangement this will gives you x plus 4 and minus 3 is equal to 0. So this is the इक्वेशन ऑफ द लाइन BC। अब मुझे BC की इक्वेशन मिल गई है, मुझे क्या लाना है, आफ्टर गेटिंग द इक्वेशन ऑफ BC की इक्वेशन लाने के बाद मुझे लेंथ ऑफ एल्टीट्यूड लिखना है। तो ये BC का इक्वेशन है, मुझे लेंथ ऑफ एल्टीट्यूड मींस परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस ऑफ दिस लाइन। तो परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस, लेंथ ऑफ एल्टीट्यूड परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस ऑफ लाइन x plus y minus 3 is equal to 0 from the point A to 3. The formula is ax1 by1 minus c upon under root of a square plus b square and this whole mod, this will gives you 2 by root 2, or can be written as under root 2 units. So this is the length of altitude from the line BC. तो in this way we get the equation of the, first of all मैंने क्या करा, equation of altitude निकाली है, वो इसके ऊपर perpendicular है, तो slope of this perpendicular line, उसके बाद equation of BC निकाली और BC लाइन आने के बाद इस लाइन का perpendicular distance from A निकाला गया, that is equal to minus of root 2. So this is the question number 17. So student, this all about this exercise.